Hello friends, welcome to QApedia and this is our blog qapedia.com. Today the topic that we are going to discuss is software testing terms or software testing terminology. So let's start. There are lots of testing terms that we come across when we do software testing. We are going to list out all the important testing terms in this session and we will discuss all those terms in detail in our coming sessions. If you think that any of the important testing term is missing in this list, then please do let me know in the comment section and I will update it here. So let's see. First of all, we have categorized the software testing terminologies and we can divide software testing terms in below categories. The first one is software testing documents, then type of software testing, then type of life cycles, then software testing principles, then software testing techniques, and then examples of SDLC model, type of SDLC models. The first thing is software testing documents. So the first category is software testing documents. And see, there are many documents that we come across when we do software testing. Uh, there are some documents which will be prepared by testing team. Then there are some documents which will be prepared for testing team. So that testing team can analyze those documents. So this means testing team needs to analyze few of the documents and testing team needs to prepare few of the documents. And here is the list of documents. Requirements and requirement document. So this is a document which will be prepared by business analyst, business team, and it will be prepared for testing team so the testing team can analyze it and write test cases based on that. Then test plan document, it will be created by testing team. Basically it will be created by test manager. Test strategy, this is also created by testing team from test manager side. Then test scenario, this will be created by testing team, test lead, or software tester or test analyst will create this. Test cases, that means the test case writing, this will be done by software testers. Requirement traceability matrix, this also will be created by testing team. Then test case execution is a term. Then defect and defect summary report, this can be created by anybody. This can be created by testing team also, or this can be created by manager also. Then test closure document, this also can be created by software tester or maybe from the manager side. Then type of software testing. The second category is type of software testing. So there are many types of software testing which can be subcategorized further. But for now, we are just going to list out the name of different type of testing. So here is the list. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, smoke versus sanity testing, then regression testing, functional testing, non-functional testing, positive testing, and negative testing. So here is a list of different types of testing. If you come across any other type of testing, you can let me know. I'll update it here. Then type of life cycles. So there are a few life cycles that we come across when we do software testing, and the list is here. SDLC, software development life cycle, STLC, software testing life cycle, then defect life cycle. Software testing principles. So we have to keep software testing principles in our mind when we do software testing. Software testing cannot be done effectively without keeping the software testing principle in mind. And here is the list of software testing principles. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Testing shows presence of defect. Early testing, defect clustering, pesticide paradox, testing is context dependent, then absence of error fallacy. These are the 7 software testing principles that we must know. Software testing techniques. Software testing techniques are derived from software testing principles, which we discussed earlier. And software testing techniques are also called test case design techniques because we use these techniques when we write test cases or when we design test cases. So here is the list of software testing techniques: boundary value analysis, equivalence class partitioning, decision table based testing, state transition, and error guessing. Then we have some examples of SDLC model or type of SDLC model. So SDLC is an abbreviation for software development lifecycle, and SDLC is a methodology or a framework, and this framework has been implemented in different models, and we call those models as SDLC model or software development lifecycle model. And here is the list for those models: waterfall model, V model, which is verification and validation model, agile model, and DevOps model. So these are the software testing terms or software testing terminologies that we come across when we do software testing. So that's it for the session. And if you want to get the notes for this session, you can go to this particular blog, qapedia.com. Thank you very much, guys.